Now that we acquire data for standards and sample, we can create a calibration curve. First, in calibration settings, we enter some general info. So, units, it will be milligrams per liter. The software does not use this, it's just for reporting. And the calibration curve will be linear, going through 0. All the uncalibrated peaks, so not our compounds, will be ignored. Okay. Now we load the first data file for the lowest standard concentration, and we can see our peaks of both analytes are integrated as they should be, so we are satisfied with that, and we can start creating a calibration curve. We enter the first level, so it will be just labeled as level 1. Now the concentration of two compounds is different, so we will enter only one, for example for benzoate, and for sorbate we will change it later. So the software now created the first calibration point with two compounds. The first peak is sorbate. The second is benzoate. Now the benzoate concentration is correct, but for sorbate we should now enter the real concentration, and we could also improve a bit the range so that the entire peak is definitely taken into account. 4.6. Yeah. Now we should enter the next calibration level. So we load the next data file and we add level. Level 2, the amount of benzoate is 75 milligrams per liter. So it's automatically entered, and the amount of sorbate is 150 milligrams per liter. So using the same procedure, we also entered the third and the fourth calibration level, and now we can inspect calibration curves. So for sorbate it's quite perfect, and for benzoate as well. We can now define the report form, so it should be output only to screen, not to printer. We will calculate the results according to external standard method. So we have standards for calibration and separate samples. We will just get the short report, and we do not report uncalibrated peaks. Okay. Now we can load the sample and print report. So the software will automatically calculate the amounts of sorbate and benzoate in the sample.